Hey, what's up guys? Kat right here. I'm so excited for this video because I'm going to show you how to beautify our pergola with some solar string lights. I absolutely love my pergola. It is wonderful in the winter. We put this up about a couple of years ago, and the solar string lights just add like the beautiful little finishing touch to it. So yes, we're going to be beautifying my pergola with some solar string lights, so stick around. So for this job, I'm going to be using my solar string lights that I got on Amazon. I'll put a link down below to show you those. And then the other supply that I also need are these little hangy clips. And I think I just got these at Home Depot or something, maybe Ace, but we've had these around for a long time. But really that's all it takes is the solar string lights, and you gotta have something to hang it on, and I'm so excited for this. So there's the charger, and this is all of my lights. So we're gonna take this string, we're gonna lay it out. There is the end. Let's take this and let's pull it out. So I'm gonna start on the outside of the pergola here. We'll start here on the end. We'll put one little piece and then we'll just keep going and clipping along. So simple, so very simple to hang these things, but I'm so excited for this. So on this solar string lights, it has a small little clip right there at the top. Just take the little string, loop it in here.
We're using zip ties though, not string, but you could call it string. It's super tough string.
Yeah, it is zip ties.
String
right.
made out of a plastic-like alien substance.
Oh, come on.
You can do it. There you go. Bite it. That makes sense.
Sweet, just like that. Now I only have like 5 more to put up. So yes, let's get this done.
All right.
See, doesn't that pergola just glow with those solar string lights? I absolutely love it. It is so pretty. Every night when I go out to take care of our chickens, I'll be able to see these solar string lights hanging there on the pergola when we have friends and family over. It's so very beautiful. It is getting dark and it's getting a little bit cold, so I'm going to be heading in. So remember, work hard, play hard, have a wonderful day. We'll see you on the next project.